Hello.
There you go. So,
There we go.
let's get an auto pop. I mean, you can do it in whatever. It ain't that much.
Yeah, I think this will work. I just gotta melt this taffy. Oh fuck, dude. Yo, I forgot I had bean juice out, dude.
But you got bean juice? Oh shit.
I got bean juice. I think I gotta heat this up. Dude, oh my god.
When that,
My fucking stove top is so fucked, dude.
The whole kitchen is juiced.
Juiced AF, dude. Yo, dude.
that's a way to put it.
Juicing. Dude, I have fucking taffy burnt onto my stove top, like the burners from yesterday, dude. They like boiled over.
Burnt sugar, not fun, not fun.
Look at all this shit, dude.
I just love the ping pong balls in like damn near every pot you got.
Nothing you can't
The same.
pickle away, surely.
Dude, look at this shit, dude.
Here, hold
Look
it
at
up.
this thing, dude. Nothing you can't pickle away, true.
Smoky caramel. It's fine.
Smoky caramel, I like that. I like that cake. Dude, this one getting cooked.
Take a little of everything that is a camel
Pickle it? Oh shit.
You're the sink clogged hard from all the sugar.
Mission Trina Saratoga your kitchen.
Saratoga?
I've given up on
Sabotage.
any significant impact on Camel's Kitchen because it's like art. You just observe the beauty, the magic.
Now in God.
Observe the
Gamba on
beauty.
BattleBots. See you
True.
later. Hashtag
Gamba?
Pico was murdered
Wait,
long.
Gamba on BattleBots.
Thanks
Yo,
for
Bumpy,
the
get me
correct.
on that fucking show,
Fun
dude.
fact, burnt sugar is pretty much just carbon, which is poisonous.
His kitchen
Which is poisonous.
like a science experiment.
Poisonous.
It's just pissing in a sea of piss at this point.
Wait, is that?
Don't slander the
You're
sugar
saying it's-
here.
Are you saying it's poisonous to like
Fake
roast marshmallows then?
news.
Is that fake news?
Only if it's burnt.
I like
Did someone say piss?
Nice.
Nobody said piss, dude. I like burning marshmallows though. Do you?
Damn.
You tell me that's poisonous?
Burnt sugar is safe.
Dude, where's my other fucking... Oh, here it is.
Don't quote me though.
Carcinogens are produced when you burn damn near anything. IDK, that's not
True.
okay. Kara
What
said
about that
piss.
bacon? Car said it's just pissing in a sea of piss at this point. My
I'll
kitchen,
roast
you
the
mean?
marshes, eat
You talking about my
the
kitchen,
skin
dude?
and burn them again
I
until
think he's throwing a little shade.
Wow, Cara.
P.P.S. Hello, Hamil and chat.
Cucaracha.
Yo, Tom. What's up, Tom?
Tom Brady.
Also, we never got into this the last time me and Nishin collabed, but you're a mental health researcher, right? That's like
Yeah.
your day job.
Mm-hmm.